Hi guys, I'm Sean Maritopeda, and today I'm going to share you my experience and reflection about our puppet making activity. I did this project with my partner Rizaldi Jan Vargas. So for this activity, we focus on making an amateur puppet. First, we drew a footprint and outline for a person to guide us. Then, shape a stick figure using a lambre or wire for the base. After that, we added a bit of clay to the arms, legs, and stomach to give it some structure. When we started building the puppet itself, that's when we put more clay all over the body. When we decide to use we decided to use blue clay for the body because our puppet is made. We also shape and attach the head. Oh, so honestly, the hardest part of me was shaping everything nicely. It took a lot of patience and effort, but overall it was fun and happy experience. I love how creative it felt. This activity taught me that the teamwork and planning are super important. It also reminded me that even if something seems hard at first, it can be actually be fun and rewarding when you see the result. So, that's all and thank you for watching.